Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I style my natural hair in different ways. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Let's jump right into the video. I'm about to wash my hair, so I just decided to show you guys some cute hairstyles. So I'm starting with this very cute hairstyle. I'm sectioning a little bit in front, just a little bit in front, and then for the back I divided into two parts. This is the first part I'm trying to work with. Then the other part. And for the front, as you can see me doing, I'm twisting it up. So I divided the ones I cut in front into two parts. That will make it like four. I'm going to twist it into 4. You see what I'm trying to say? This is how the hairstyle turned out. It's so cute, so easy to do. So I'm using edge control to lay down my edges in place. Such a simple hairstyle, turned out so cute. I'm happy with it. This next hairstyle is just a go-to high bun that every natural hair person is supposed to know how to do. I just did it with a twist. I added accessories to it, so that's just the difference. It's just a bun, a high bun.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
This is how my bun turned out. I just added accessories, you know, for a little flavor. I'm happy with it. This next hairstyle, I'm sectioning a little in front, as you can see me doing. I'm laying down my edges with some edge control.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. just come. We must never stop the way.
And then I'm sort of braiding it. I'm not really good in doing braids, but I'll just try what I can. I'm sort of braiding it, and you see me tuck it in.
We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Like I said, after braiding, I'll tuck it in. This is me doing just that. And for the back, I'll just pack it into a little bun.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Such a cute hairstyle. Turned out so great.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun.
Another hairstyle, you can just pack your hair into one little bun.
For the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
This next hairstyle, I'm sectioning a little in the front. Had to rest my hands for a little while. And then the one I sectioned in front, I had to divide into two. And then twisted them up.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the
Done with the twisting, I then added accessories.
my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah,
And then for the back,
the beauty
I packed it into a very high bun, as you can see me doing.
Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun.
Don't forget your edges.
We will always
Lay them down. So beautiful. This next hairstyle, the one I twisted in front, I just place one above the other, form of like a crisscross, and then tuck it into the bun. You can see what I'm doing now. And then I added accessories. Just a simple hairstyle.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
This next hairstyle, I'm going to be sectioning a part of my hair from one side of my head, from the left side. That's what I'm doing. You can go ahead to cornrow the part of your hair that you sectioned out. I don't really know how to do cornrows. That's why I'm doing this. If you cannot do cornrows, you can as well do what I just did. I wanted to pack my hair into a bun. I didn't really like the way it was looking, so I had to switch it up. You see what I did.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
So this is how I ended up packing it. I just packed everything to the back. It looked like this after I was done. Don't forget your edges. Always don't forget your edges. Lay them down.
Good day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must
This was the final result. I hope you liked it. It looks so good. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.